everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you beef mushroom curry. This is a very tasty and very delicious recipe. Without wasting any time, let's get started. These are the ingredients I will be using. Beef loin, tenderloin steak. It's a 2 pound and I'm going to use 1 pound, so it will be 2 steaks. We're going to wash it with cold water, then we're going to cut into nice pieces. These are organic white mushroom and I will be using 5 of these. We're going to wash them and then we're going to cut them. Spices from masala dabba, olive oil for tadka, and then we're going to use onion, green chili, tomatoes, and ginger, garlic. So let's get started. The beef steak, what I did, I washed with the cold water and I pat it dry to make a cut. When you make a cut, you do like a cube size pieces. This is perfect. These are perfect size pieces. I'll finish up the second one the same way. What I did with the mushroom, I washed with cold water and I cut into small pieces. 1 inch ginger, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 3 garlic cloves, and 1 green chili, water, olive oil for tadka, and spices from masala dabba. So let's start making our delicious beef mushroom curry. Get a karahi or wok, add olive oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any vegetable oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add garlic and ginger. Mix it well. Cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Now we're going to add onion. Mix it well and cook until it's nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. Now we're going to add green chili. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Cooking green chili with tadka for 1 minute. Now we're going to add tomatoes. Mix it well. Keep mixing and keep cooking. Tadka is nicely cooked, and if you see, it starts to release oil. Now we're going to add spices. This is 1 teaspoon each: salt, black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, and Kashmiri mirch. Mix it well and cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Now add beef. Mix it well. Once the beef is nicely combined with tadka, now we're going to add mushroom. Mix it well. With open lid on high flame, cook for 5 minutes. Keep it moving and keep cooking. With open lid, cooking for 5 minutes. Now we're going to add water. I added 1 cup water, and now I'm going to add 1 more cup. So altogether 2 cups. That's going to give me nice gravy. You always can adjust water according to your need. If you need a running gravy, you can add more. Otherwise 2 cup water, this will be perfect. Bring your gas to medium, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 15 minutes. Stir it occasionally so it won't get burned at the bottom. It's exactly 15 minutes cooking with the cover lid. Turn off the fan. Mix it. This is the perfect gravy. Beef with mushroom curry is all ready. Now the last ingredient. Good amount of cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to simmer. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes on simmer. I will open it. Our dish is ready and I will turn off the gas. Very delicious beef mushroom curry. I am a serving karai ready and I'm going to dish out. Let me share with you. Beef mushroom curry. I hope you like this dish and please try it. You always can serve as a main course dish and you can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, even bread. And best of all with the rice flour. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, please like, share and subscribe my channel, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.